Hello viewers, today I have this OnePlus Buds Z2. So in this earbuds, battery backup is very less, only few minutes it is working. So we have to replace the battery of these earbuds. So in this video, I am going to show you how to replace the battery of one of the sides. The other side it is similar. So without wasting any time, let me take this apart. So we have to give some heat over here so that we can take this apart. So there will be flex cable going around here. So be very careful, otherwise you may end up breaking the flex cable. So let me give some heat and come here. So I have given heat, so you can see this has come apart. So there is a flex cable here, black color flex cable, so be very careful. So there will be UV glued here, so we have to give some heat to take that glue. Let me show you in close up. So there are so many glues and there are flex cables as well as Bluetooth antenna. So we have to give some heat to take that glue, then we can take out the flex cable so that we can work here, because battery is behind this motherboard. So alright, let me give some heat and clean the glue here. So now you can see I have taken the glue here. So like this we have to take out. So now we have to take out this flex cable here, this one, this is the socket. So we can lift up so that this part will come separately, then we can access the battery. So we have to remove this BT antenna. So let me remove this flex cable and BT antenna here. So you can see further I have removed the glue. You can see now I have lifted this. So still it is bit glued, so that this will come out now if you pull. So let me do that. So simply by lifting like this, you can see that's it. This part has come, so no work in this. So we have to keep this very carefully. There is a flex cable for ANC as well here, ANC and as well as for the speaker driver. So let me keep this. Now work is here in this. So we have to remove this Bluetooth antenna now. So let me do that. So still it is glued. There is little bit of glue here. So let me remove this and come here. So I have taken out the glue. Now simply by lifting like this flex cable will come out. Now it's time to take out this flex cable. So again glue will be there. We have to give some mild heat over here because this is UV glue. With little bit of heat this may come out easily without any damage. So let me give some heat and I have to take out this flex cable before pulling out the motherboard, and the battery is behind this motherboard which is connected to this motherboard itself. So alright, let me give some heat and take out this flex cable. Just by lifting like this flex cable will come. So you can see I have removed the flex cable. Now it's time to pull the motherboard out. It is glued here, so a little bit carefully you can pull. You should not damage any components because these are very tiny micro components. So you should not damage anything. If you damage, then it may not work, so it will be of no use then. So alright, so now simply battery is behind this motherboard. We have to pull motherboard and we have to replace the battery. So now we have to pull this motherboard. You can see just into this gap. I'm slowly lifting the motherboard. It is coming very easily. So that's it. So you can see the battery has come out. There is no damage whatsoever, perfectly removed. Now simply we have to remove this battery, desolder this, and we have to install the new battery. So I have the new battery. Let me show you here. So my right side has the battery with motherboard and this left side hand has the brand new fresh battery. So this is also lithium ion polymer and this is also lithium ion polymer. Both are lithium ion polymer batteries. So now simply we have to desolder the battery wires and we have to install this. So red color is the positive one, black color is the negative one. Similarly, this battery wire has red and black. So we have to fix these wires respectively to the same terminal. We should not replace the terminal. If you replace, then it will be harmful for the motherboard here. So alright, let me desolder the battery of this. So again, as I said, this is the existing battery, old battery which is connected. So red and black is there. There is again UV glued here. So we have to give some heat to take the glue out. Then the lead and terminal is there, so we can give some heat using soldering machine, then we can take out the wires, then we can install the new wire here. So now you can see this has been glued. I have removed the glue, so just I am going to lift it, that's it. So you can see the terminals here, black and red. So red one is positive, black one is negative. So similarly I have this battery as I shown here. So this is the battery, this has a black and red wire. So it should go to the respective terminal. So let me replace the battery. So now I have removed the battery. So this is the old battery which was installed. Now I have installed the new battery. So let me put this back into the housing. So now simply I have to put the battery in the housing and I have to place this motherboard properly. So let me do that. So now I have positioned the battery. Now just I need to install this flex cable, this antenna, and as well as this flex cable which has speaker, ANC and as well as charging point connection. So this is the charging point connection. So let me connect all these flex cables. So I have connected all the flex cable. Now it's simply we have to glue and position it, that's it. So before that, let me test the earbuds. So I have not closed it, just I wanted to test it before fixing. So simply I am going to install this in the housing. So you can see green light is coming. So now it's time to pair the device. To pair this, we have to press this button and hold. So white light should blink. If it is blinking, then replacement is successful. So let me press it. So that's it. You can see white light is blinking here. You can see the pop-up has come here already. I am going to pair it manually. So I am clicking the refresh button here. So you can see OnePlus Buds Z2 has come. I'm just clicking it. So it will ask for the permission here. I'm just checking it and clicking the pair button here. It will pair now. So you can see it is connected and battery is 100%. Battery is 100% because I have kept it for charging, and the pop-up has also come. So I'm just clicking cancel because I have already paired it. So that's it. The earbuds battery has been replaced successfully. So if you want me to replace the batteries of these earbuds, OnePlus Buds Z and Z2, OnePlus Buds Pro, OnePlus Buds Pro 2 and goes on. If you want me to replace the batteries, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. I can replace the batteries of other brands here as well. Just please check out the channel here, AudioViz360. I have uploaded so many videos for that. So I am located here in Bangalore. So you can courier it to me. I can fix it and I can ship it back to you. If in case if you are from Bangalore, then you can directly visit, or you can do porter or courier here, so that I can receive, I will fix it and I will send it back to you through courier or porter. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.